Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Workshop mods subscribed but not showing in-game using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your hidden file links on your current setup session so your community add-ons drop straight into your active game world. Step 1. Open your Master Application Library panel. The first step is to open your main software launcher on your desktop screen and head over to your collection shelf where all your installed games sit. Move your mouse pointer up to the top of your screen workspace, click once on the word that says Library, and scroll down the left side list to find the specific game that is missing its add-on files. Click your main mouse button once on your game name to open up its primary dashboard view right in the middle of your monitor. Because you cannot fix missing files from outside desktop layout map, you have to open this specific management room so you can look at the inner properties of that single game. Without this step, your software will keep running its standard vanilla files without looking into your new downloaded folders. Step 2. Access the Hidden Game Properties setup menu. Next, you need to step inside the deep options box for that specific game to check how it reads your computer storage files. Move your cursor over to the right side of your game dashboard page. Click once on the small button shaped like a gear symbol and click on the choice word that says Properties from the drop-down list. Watch for a fresh settings panel to pop open right over your screen canvas rows, showing a list of category links on the side. Because every game has its own separate rules hidden inside the computer memory card. Opening this specific preference board lets you alter how the game system starts up and where it looks for extra files. It gives you a straight, clean path to check the health of your installation folders. Now you need to click on the Folder Repair tool to force the computer engine to scan every single file and link your downloaded mods back to the main game path. The action: click on the category row labeled Installed Files on the left menu, look over to the right side options, find the button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files, and click it once. Watch a slow progress percentage bar fill up flat against your background view as the system checks your folders for any missing or misplaced items. Because your game can get confused and lose the map line that connects your main engine to your new downloaded workshop folders. When this connection path breaks, your mods sit safely on your hard drive, but the game completely skips past them. Running this repair check sweeps away those broken link bugs instantly and forces the system to recognize your add-ons. And that's it. To fix Steam Workshop mods subscribed but not showing in-game, you must first go to your library and click the gear icon on your game to open the options. Then you move your mouse to the Properties window and click the Installed Files row on your screen canvas rows. Next, you click the Verify Integrity button to let the system scan and fix your broken folder links automatically. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.